Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to level up in your career in tech? In this video, we are diving into the top 5 high paying tech skills in 2025. Skills that not only pay well but can also be learned completely for free. Plus, I will be giving you one practical mini project idea for each skill to help you get hands on from day one. Let's get right into it. If you are a student, a beginner, or someone trying to switch careers into tech, this video is just built for you. We are not just talking about the trending buzzwords, we are giving you skills that have real job market value, along with free resources to learn them and small project ideas to practice what you learn. Alright, skill 1 is cloud computing. Cloud computing powers everything from Netflix to your email. Instead of companies buying expensive hardware, they rent servers and services from platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Here is what you can start learning: EC2, which helps you launch virtual machines, S3 for storing files, Lambda for serverless computing, RDS for databases. Mini project idea is try building a simple portfolio website and host it on S3 or Azure Blob Storage. Then add a contact form using a serverless function with Lambda. And here is the best part. You can learn this through AWS free tier, YouTube tutorials, and official documentation. Salaries. Cloud engineers are earning around $125K plus dollars on an average in the US. Next up, artificial intelligence and machine learning. This is the tech behind self-driving cars, personalized recommendations, and voice assistants. If you are fascinated by how machines learn from data, then this is your field. Start with the basics of supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, each of which has its own advantages. Like supervised learning is with the label data, unsupervised learning is for clustering, reinforcement learning is learning via rewards and penalties. Mini project idea. Build a movie recommendation system using Python. Use collaborative filtering on public datasets and show 5 recommended titles based on the user input. Tools you will use include Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. Free learning. Andrew Ng's Coursera ML course, Kaggle datasets, and Fast.ai are the gold mines of this course. Of this machine learning and artificial intelligence. ML engineers often make $130K plus dollars even at the junior level. Cybersecurity, and it's more critical than ever. With more data online than ever before, companies are hiring cybersecurity pros to protect their networks, websites, and apps. Learn about firewalls and encryption, penetration testing, ethical hacking fundamentals. Mini project idea is to install a vulnerable virtual machine like Metasploitable on your system, scan it using Nmap, and write a basic vulnerability report. Free platforms like TryHackMe, HackTheBox, and Cybersecurity offer hands-on labs. If you are aiming for a job, certifications like CompTIA Security Plus or CEH can also help. Cybersecurity analysts earn around $115K plus dollars per year on an average. Skill 4 is a classic: full stack web development. This is for you if you want to build complete websites or web apps from front end to back end. Front end skills include HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, or Angular. Back end options: Node.js with Express or Python with Django or Flask. Databases like MongoDB or MySQL. Mini project idea. Build a simple to-do list app where users can add, edit, and delete tasks. Front-end in React, backend with Node.js and MongoDB to store data. Deploy the app using cloud services we covered earlier. Free platforms. Check out Free Code Camp, the Odin Project, or YouTube. Average salary for full stack developers is around $100K plus dollars, and companies love developers who can do both front-end and back-end. Skill 5 is data science and analytics. One of the most accessible and job-ready skills you can start learning right now. You will be working with Python, especially Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, SQL for querying data, tools like Tabula or Power BI for dashboards. Mini project idea. Download a public sales data set from Google, clean it with pandas, analyze the top performing regions and visualize trends using Matplotlib or Power BI. Learn from Data Camp, YouTube's data science tutorials, and of course Kaggle. Data analysts earn around 110k plus dollars, and that's just the beginning. Let's do a quick recap of what we just covered. Cloud computing, host and scale apps, AI ML train machines to predict and automate. Cybersecurity, protect data and systems. Full stack development, build complete web applications. Data science, extract insights from data. Choose one skill and go deep. Don't try to learn everything at once. Here are final few tips. Focus on one skill at a time. Don't try to multitask too early. Build mini projects and share them on GitHub or LinkedIn. Track your growth by joining hackathons, contests, or coding challenges. Comment below and tell me which skill are you starting with. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you are serious about building a tech career in 2025, these skills can open real doors. I have got deep dive videos on each of these topics coming soon, so don't forget to hit the bell icon.